this video, I'm going to show you how to repost your own post on Instagram. So if that is what you want to do, then this video is for you. So looking right here on the screen is the home page of my Instagram app. In order for you to repost your own post on Instagram, this is what you can simply do. Go to your profile like this. So now you're on your profile and you can see all the posts you've made so far on Instagram. So in order for you to repost your own post on Instagram, you just need to go to the particular post that you want to repost. Click on the post like this. Now at the bottom of this post, you can see the heart button, you can see the chat button, and also you can see the repost button. So you need to go ahead and click on the repost button like this. So once you do this, you've been able to repost this post and it is going to appear on your friend's feed. Hope you found this video helpful. Now hit the like button now, subscribe and hit the notification bell to get updated whenever I upload more helpful tutorials like this. See you in the next one.